Buenas noches, damas y caballeros. Bienvenidos al show de hoy del Grillo. I'm fucking driving this yacht down Route 3 and I'm shitting on my pants because it's too fucking big. And this motherfucker does not care about his life right now. Driving at these kinds of speeds that should not be tolerable. Fuck.
You're under the speed limit, Rocky. You're fucking under the speed limit, bitch.
Listen, I am scared. I am scared when I pee on myself, bitch. When I pee on myself.
Why don't you tell us about your accident?
Well, actually, I was going on my way to work.
Okay.
And the car decides to swerve its ass trying to get some attention. Spun, hit into the rail on the highway.
The rail.
The rail, ¿cómo que se llama eso? Yo no sé.
The road guard, okay.
Ajá, eso mismo. Y dio la vuelta, dio más vuelta otra vez. Y entonces le di por atrás. Como le gusta el Mama, eso no es funny, porque cuando a ti te van a lamber el culo y te vas a gritar, vas a hacer lo mismo, vas a gritar.
That's okay, don't worry
So,
about it.
I got a car, Ford Fusion, really bitch? A Ford Fusion. And now today apparently they took it away and they gave me the fucking shit.
Mira, una enana
of
te
Titanic.
pasó. Una fucking enana te pasó.